Okay, we're going to set up additional data display options. So if we click a feature to view its pop-up window, that we could just see the information, and you can add it or get direction or zoom to see closer information. So the tree inventory details you entered that we entered are displayed in the pop-up window because we are the data owner and can set up additional data display options before finalizing the tree setting for the field. So in the contents pane, it's right here, content, click the tree inventory more options icon. So it's right here, and then the three dots, and click configure pop-up. If the tree inventory layer is not visible, we're going to click details. So and we're going to go next step, and we're going to change the pop-up item change the pop-up item. More option icon, configure pop-up, remove pop-up, configure pop-up. Configure pop-up right here. All right, so now we have the tree inventory, change pop-up title to configure pop-up. Where did it go? Show pop-ups, pop-up title, and we're going to change not collector because you can see my name there. So community tree inventory. So we get community tree inventory and fields name in curly brackets, dynamically pull information from the database to populate fields. We can configure how the field name labels look. So display a list of field attribute. This attribute will display you can move around and click the configure attribute link. Configure attribute link right here, and then there is a new window, configure attribute link. So in the field alliance column, configure alliance column, and we're going to click height and type height. All right, so parenthesis ft foot. So, and then repeat for the diameter field. Diameter, it will be feet, ft. So we're going to click, still have to move a little bit. So the status, we're going to move up until we have it's below the collector. So move down. Okay, all right, so collector. So, and then we're going to do land use. Click the status row and then click the move up arrow several times until it is above land use under collector, okay? And at the bottom of the configure pop-up pane, we're going to click save. Actually, just click OK. You don't have a save, and then we click OK again. And then we're going to save the map. Click save. And now we click the configure, and then you can see the title changes, community tree inventory 4, and then you can see the feed and feed. Perfect. And we'll leave the map open, and we can configure pop-up windows at any time depending on your needs. And you can customize the pop-up window to include photos and charts. That's really nice. And so the map is So we're going to share the map and enable editing. So the map is ready to be used in the field. The way this map is shared and the permission is set determines the organization that is about to view it only or collect and edit the information. So a collector who has editing permission can adjust the data collection form from in the field. Otherwise, you can give permission to collectors to collect only. First, you will adjust some map projection. So what I'm gonna do is in the same map under details, I'm going to click about this map icon, then click more details. So about this map, and we're going to click more details, and it pop up a new window. It has I'm the creator and stuff here, and you can leave a comment. So we're going to click edit. So edit, and so for the title, I don't have to edit the title. But we're going to scroll through the Edit Map Details page to the Property selection, select Delete Protection checkbox, and clear as a Save As. So, and I don't see description. I don't have a description yet. And the interface is different now. Click Save. Click Save. All right, let's go to Settings. Right here. So prevent this item being accidentally deleted. It's on settings now, so you have to go to setting. To do that, in settings, and you can find the delete protection, and we have to do save as. Save as. We're going to uncheck. Select that and uncheck allow others to save offline mode. Okay, allow others. Okay, not routing. Earlier I saw it. Oh no. Save as allow others to save a copy of this item. Nope. And enable delete protection will prevent the map from being mistakenly deleted by you or other people. Disabling the Save As ability will not allow other members to save a copy of the map, so preventing multiple copies. So under the Find Location setting, we're going to select by layer checkbox and add and click Add Layer. So by layer and then Add Layer. Inventory collector equals equals to collector equals. So under Find Location setting, it's right here. We change it into Select Layer checkbox, and we click Add Layer. So the tree layer can be searched based on the collector attribute, allowing you to search which data collector in the field has submitted features. So, and then we can just click Save on the map detail page, and we can click just Share. Click Save first. Everywhere you have to click Save. And then we have to go back here to click Share. So when you share, you can just on the map, you can share with everyone, and we can share with everyone. Then share. Okay, click OK. Update sharing. So the share dialog box provides option to share to your organization or to groups to which you may belong. So it might be different, like if you look at mine, so it is kind of different. We're going to continue the exercises. You do not have to share the map with any other, but if you do belong to a group, you can share the map by selecting the checkbox for the group, and you may be prompt to update layer sharing to match how the web map is shared. So we do not So right now we're not going to do sharing now. Just click OK. We can click done. And click OK, click done, and then I will enable editing for the tree inventory layer so that it can be accessed in the collector app. So click My Content on the main navigator bar. So right here. And we're going to view details. For view details, let's go to details. View details inventory. We're going to look everything here. View item details for the tree inventory feature layer. So we have to go back here and we have to click view, show table, change style, filter, perform analysis, more option. Do we have a view details? I don't see view details. Make sure you choose the correct item. So the feature layer, not the web map view definition. So on the feature layer detail page, we're going to click right here. It's not in legend detail. It's right here. Tree inventory. I have to go back to my ArcGIS. ArcGIS. Let me log in. ArcGIS.com. Alright, let's back in here. Back in. It's in my content. Alright, right here. So, view item details. So, view item details. View item details right here. View item details. You have to go back back in the ArcGIS online, and then you go back to ArcGIS online and then the content. Alright, we're going to scroll to the property section. Property section. I don't know which part is property section, but we're going to find out. They don't have any tags anymore. We still have to look for. They do have an extend. It's right here. Tags. Right now, you do not even have any tags to put on. Overview, and we do not have any tags. Description. I don't have to add any description. So property, enable editing, click save, go to usage, not here, duplicate, allow. They do not even have others to save a copy. It's totally changes now. So I do see the extend, delete that function, but on top there is no tags. Everything changes. So on page 249, everything changes. And editing, even with the editing, and there was no application routing, find location. Everything is here, but the editing is not here. Export data, check edits, sync, everything. Right now I couldn't find anything here. Layer settings, they even do not have those anymore. Let me just look around. Mark as discourage, mark as authorized, content status, general settings. General settings is just here, usage, and open, and they do not have anything. Description, I could write something, turn off use. Even here you can just write layers, topography, and that's it. You do not have this feature. So all we can do, just click save. That's it. Save. I don't have to write anything. Okay, now we're going to collect data using collector for ArcGIS. For this exercises, we're going to do is that exercise workflow. We're going to open the collector for ArcGIS app on the mobile device, collect tree locations, enter tree inventory data,